Okay. This is my first time doing this type of setup, so I'm just gonna try a few things. What was I gonna try? Yeah, I was gonna see if the stream is actually streaming. It's a good start. Ah, it is. Okay, let's see if it's somewhat decent. Can I enter it somehow? Link. This is my first time doing this type of setup, so I'm just gonna... Let's see if the balance between... what was I gonna try? Oh wait, okay. Let's have it muted for a few seconds, because otherwise it's gonna duplicate. So this is me trying to see if the balance between the music and so on is good. You know, the little like background music, and me talking, and then me be quiet. Maybe me typing something. Beamly boom. I'm so goofy. And then I mute this one, and then I go back here to listen to it. Music and so on is good. You know, the little like background music, and me talking, and then me be quiet. Maybe me typing something. Beamly boom. I'm so goofy. And then I mute this one, and then I go back here to listen to it. Music and so on is good. You know, the little like background music. I think that's decent. Okay, we can quit watching ourselves. Boom. Maybe I can raise it slightly. There we go. Because the thing is, I set it up so it's gonna record and stream at the same time, you know? So I can, like, I don't know, reuse it and turn it into other clips for, you know, other purposes. And I'm trying to make it so the stream music is not in the recording. And I also don't want to get a bunch of copyright strikes, so from what I saw in the comments, this is actually like copyright-free music. Shout out to this thing. Yeah. Okay, but yeah, I'm gonna listen to music on my phone because I wanna listen to like Spotify and, you know, like some other music that would copyright strike me. Yeah. So. Okay, great. I also really like that you actually can't see the microphone. You know, see, it's invisible. Whoa. Yeah. I feel so awkward just talking to myself, knowing that right now nobody's watching. But you know, it's still good. It's still good. You know. Because it's like a good way to, like, for me to practice public speaking and so on as well, you know. It makes you more comfortable, and it's also a way for me to, you know, record other sorts of content, you know. Because I used to have like a little gaming channel, and then when I had my streams, surprisingly I actually had like a few viewers. I didn't expect that. But it's because I had like uploaded videos before I started doing like a few shorter streams, or a few, like, I don't know, maybe I streamed like 6 times. But with that said, I tried to stream as if I was recording a video, because then it made the stream more interesting for the viewers, and it also let me like use those parts to make videos. I used shadow play, so I was like, I had a shortcut on my keyboard. I think that should have done some, I don't know. I also added a shortcut now to like add markers in my stream, so I can go back to the recording and see like, oh, here is something memorable, or, you know, something worth saving or uploading. Yeah, music. But yeah, I used to use Shadowplay to like record the interesting clips or so on. while streaming at the same time. So it's like a 2-in-1 type of thing. It was nice, it was wholesome. I don't play as much games anymore though, so hence it didn't, yeah, I haven't uploaded there in a while. I did like some clips and so on, but you know, not a lot. This is good. Really interesting. It's gonna be like lo-fi-ish calm music on the stream right now, but I'm listening to this. I don't know if you can see it. Lotus Noir. It's like dun 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 dun. I don't know. It's more like energetic, just to get my brain going right now. Okay, so I've actually gotten like relatively far. It has taken me more time than it should, but you know, I'm new, so it's okay. So let me show you. This is what it's supposed to look like, you know? This is the goal, so to speak, because they want me to like recreate this page using grid and I guess some flex and whatever, but you know, mainly grid, trying to like line them up and make it beautiful. And so far I've gotten here, boom. I know you're super impressed, so am I. Whoa, can't imagine. Wow. Okay, so that's that. I've had some jiggity wiggity issues and stuff, but it's fine. I don't know where I left off. Maybe I should have like given myself a note, but you know, I didn't. Okay, where was I? Oh. And we could close this one in my to-do list. I haven't updated it, so yeah, screw this one. Yeah, peace out. Move to recycle bin. Adios. And then ooh, I'm trying to both, you know, not be too boring, but also focus. And I'm really bad at doing both at the same time. So I guess it'll have to be like a chill type of thing, less interactive between that is. If someone chats, wait, oh, okay, where's just stats? I was thinking if I could like see the chat, but that's a thing for the future. Gotta focus on the right things. That's one thing, you know. I've always had like big problems focusing on like multiple things at once, and one of the big reasons I also wanted to learn coding is because I want to learn how to think, you know, deconstruct it into tinier layers that help me tackle the bigger problem, and also helping me focus instead of like doing 5 things at the same time thinking I'll get done sooner than if I do them one by one. Because if I do them one by one, I don't have to spend time switching and getting started again, because as you know, getting started usually takes some time, so I can just remove all of that by just focusing on one thing instead of switching a bunch. So I'm getting there. Okay. So I need the icons, that's for sure, eventually. And then wait. Oh, nice. I was just checking if my shortcut like is the right one, because I remembered when I pressed Control M when I set the shortcut like yesterday, then it like changes to the tab. I'm pointing at the screen as if you can see the tab move focus thing. Okay. Okay, so I mean the upper section done. I mean I don't have to overdo it. I want to get into the other like course parts. The upper section done, or header as it's so beautifully called. I hope it's header, so I don't like say something weird here. Yeah, of course I know my stuff, of course. Maybe the header should have been before the nav bar, but hey, it works. Okay. Dashboard. Okay, we're gonna add some icons. Yeah, I was fiddling a bit with this right side last time, but the middle part, I would say done. Top part done as well. Let's do the side part. So we need icons. Yeah. By the way, when I code, I try to use as little AI as possible. Right now, at least, you know. Sometimes I use it, you know, as like a smarter Google type of thing. But I try not to use too many tools or whatever. And even when I get stuck, I try to like tell it not to tell me everything. Just, you know, push me in the right direction. Because I feel like when I toggle all these like tools and shit, and I start like typing, it's not gonna, yeah, see, like it just really good if I already know everything, but here it's just like I have to add friction to my brain to remember the things, otherwise it won't stick in there, you know. So that's why I turn off everything. I tried turning it on and off, you know, just like try to find a balance or whatever, but you know, I end up using it too much if I have it available. So yeah, I just wanna add some friction so it actually sticks in here. Who knows, maybe my opinion will change, but for now on, that's it. I think even the Odin project, this like course, advised like against using it too much. Yeah. Okay. What am I doing? Got distracted again. Ah, icons. Okay. Material design icons. Boom. Last time I figured out I could like find these icons, luckily. I couldn't find this like whoop, going up icon, but you know, we'll get there. We need a house. Okay, let's just download all of them first. So, house. Okay, let's just do this so I can see it more easily. We need a house. Turn white. I guess we'll figure out how to inverse the color. CSS inverse color on icon. I guess that works. Change color on icon. Hashtag your color. Okay, we'll see. Oh, whoops. Okay. Home variant. Now we're doing the classic home. Download. We do what is it called? Home icon. I just named them icon. That way I remember which ones there are. And card. Oh, nice. I feel like such a genius. It's using the right keywords. So I also feel like a loser when I talk to myself, but we're getting there. Card. Yeah, just profile icon. Then what else? Message. Oh, they inversed it. I don't know how to inverse stuff yet, so it's filled in. Download messages icon. History. Okay, that's a clock. I can see that much. Clock. Let's find the right time. The fuck? Yo. Okay, this will have to do. It's the. Oh no, here we go. Hey, clock time 3. Clock. Icon. It looks like papers. Look at this. SVG legend. Tasks icon. Communities. People. There we go. People. I wish I could just have, you know, like all these copyrighted music playing, because it's a jam. I'm listening to Poison right now. I don't know if it shows. Yeah, Poison. Yeah. Did I download it already? Probably not. No, okay. I also realized that I spelled communities wrong. Or no, announcements. I don't know. Something that I spelled wrong in my code and everything, but I can't be bothered to fix it because, yeah, it's not the focus right now. Activities icon. Great. Settings. Cogwheel. I can figure out that much. Cog. Support. I'm thinking about how I'm gonna put them next to it. If I just put it as like an inline text, or if I just. Why am I question mark? Of course. Question square. Like question. Come on. Come on. Wait, I'm gonna. That's nice. Oh. Ooh. Okay, maybe not the vibe. Yeah, we'll start the radio on it. I don't know. As of like 2 weeks, I've been listening to this, like, you know, house, techno, not techno, but, you know, like electronic music, but that mixes opera, and like other stuff. I don't know. And some type of retro music as well. Yeah, it's nice. It's like classical mixed with modern. It makes it more epic. Where was I? Support. Question mark. Here we go. No, we need a proper square. Help box outline. Outline. I don't want the outline. Maybe it's just called help box. Ah, help box. Let's go. And then shield. Of course, it's a shield. What else would it be called? Shield check mark. Shield check, of course, because you gotta feel safe. Privacy. Of course, the top one, the dashboard one, we gotta fix as well. No. Bidu. Well, okay, what am I even doing? Okay, let's take this one. Let's call it dashboard icon. Now comes the interesting part. Now we have to like implement all of these. So I have all my images here, but I'm thinking maybe I'll add another folder called like because what is that one called? It's called side or something. Nav. Yeah. Nav bar. So we call them nav icons. And then in here, we just drop them all. Drag and drop. Boom. Great. Yeah, okay. For nav. Greatness. Okay. I haven't eaten today. But I was thinking, you know, if I eat, I'm just gonna find other excuses to like delay this and so on, and I'm gonna get tired from the food and all that. Okay, let's break it down. So I have the icons, even though it looks hella messy. So I have the nav icons, and I gotta add them here. How did I do it with the other one? With like the Morgan Oakley. User top menu. Yeah, that's it. I added them on top of each other inside of a div. So technically, I could have them both being in the list item and then text plus image on top of each other. That should work. So I would see if this fucks it all up. Boom. Okay, that's it. So, oh. Bye, okay. Then I would do image. What is this? Search. Image. I learned not long ago that if you put a dot, it basically means like looking from this folder. Like, no. Dot means like relative from this folder where this file is. So if it's like index.html, it's like, oh yeah, from this file, relative to this file, where is it? So for example, here it's relative, it's next to it in images, and then it's a nav icons. And then, yeah, this is a good question. What is it? Like, it's the first one is a home icon. Home icon. I don't know, something tells me I messed up. Test. Ah, there we go. Oh, but they're how do I force them next to each other? Wait. Oh, whoops. What if I just change the sizes? Because yeah, okay. Because this one is a flex item, right? Ooh, so I made a grid. That's great. And then dashboard is a flex, and then this one is a flex. According to the like task, I don't have to do it like mobile friendly for this one. Just saying in case you try to judge me. Okay, so it stacks on top. If I just change the flex direction, instead of like flex this, it's flex that. So, too many buttons. Okay. And I also try to reorder my CSS file because I don't know, but you actually have like, you know, some sort of like rule, or you know, just like when you write texts, you refer in a certain way if it's like, you know, according to like Oxford whatever thing or this and that. Yeah, if you know, you know. If you don't, then you don't need to know. Just look it up if you ever need to know. Okay, what was I doing? Yeah, this house thing. So what line is it already on? It's on 85. Because this is the navigation. I put everything navigation related inside of this. So nav. I'm working slower when I'm yapping, but you know, as the more content I do or the more I stream, I guess I'll get better. Yep. So nav house. The house is as a work menu. Yeah, it's in here. Flex. But then them in it of itself is a flex, but we have to turn these ones into a flex as well. So then we can do it here. So dot, why did I put, okay, work now, items. What if I just make that a flex. Flex direction. No, I have to do it on the... What? Hello? The list items. What? Oh, work menu. Oh, wait. What? But then... Did I spell it wrong? Work items. Oh, big W. Oh. That was bad. Wait, because I already decided the image size somewhere, did I? Or why did that expand? Yeah. I guess we'll just do a... work items. What if I just set it to 10 pixels? Boom! Okay, great. So then... And it's relative to its parent, right? Oh, this is no bueno. PX. Okay, that works. 30. And then... What if... how do I... Is this... What is magical website? Oh, it doesn't exist. That's great. Filter. There we go. And then... there we go. Boom! Okay. Is the size good enough? Yeah, we gotta make it smaller. 20 pixels. Yeah, maybe my text is too small as well. Wait. Let's fix that. Wait a minute. Does my text change size when I... Oh, why can't I open it? Hello? Oh, well. And then here we can just do like gap. Row gap. Wait, let's see which one affects. Why does it? Oh. And we take column. Oh, whoops. Boom. Okay. 20. Let's do 15. Boom. Okay. This is great. This is great. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Let's just rename them to whatever they're supposed to be, so it makes it easier. So this one is home, profile. I'm sure there is some smart command to like do this better, but hey. Wait, I think control, oh, no. Wait, what if Alt L, Shift L, L? Huh. Oh well. History. History, tasks. Then we have this one. Options. Items, settings. How do I? Oh. I'll definitely look back at this in the future and go like, oh, well, why did I do it this way? Oh. So, port. Okay, this is some dark music, okay. Privacy. Support privacy. Okay, home. Okay, this looks scuffed. Yeah, maybe I put this in a... See, I learned this though, I'm so cool. And then I just did P, boom. Why did I... Oh, wait. What if I do... I think Control L, or this, Control L now. Control Shift L. Yeah, what if I do Control Shift L on this? No, I'm scuffed, okay. Wrap P, done. Cause, oh, whoops. I gotta do like... Oh, wait. There is a pattern to it, I think. So if I do... L... No, it marks all of them. No bueno. What if I do Shift L? Okay, that's... And this marks all of them. Oh, okay, I'm scuffed. I'm done, I mean. Yeah. Okay, history... Oh, this is the least exciting part about this. I'm sure there's a billion faster ways to do this, but hey. No, what am I doing? Okay. Great. Now we just take wrap p. Great. Wrap p. See, now I'm getting some purpose out of the commands. P. It's great. P. Ah! P. P. There we go. P, 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 P. Okay. And then I gotta add images, image, source, and then this one is the profile. Okay. Profile icon. Done. Then technically, oh, so nice. Very nice. Yeah, I should have just done this for all the other icons. I didn't like start with the CSS first. I added them afterwards, so it looked like super scuffed, you know, like all the sizing was off, as if I would like do this. Wait. Oh, whoops. Yeah, this. Yeah, see, like, oh no, but now it's just good from the start. Very nice. Okay, so might as well just continue doing this so it looks more interactive and cool. Yeah, okay. Image. Nav icon, we're doing the messages icon, great. Next one. No, David, this is not the way. Image. P, source, boom, boom, boom. History. Where's history? Where is history? I just named it clock. Genius. Okay. Oh no, why do I always open the menu? Come on. Tasks. No. Wait. No. No. My brain is not braining. Okay. Tasks, boom. Okay. Come on. Is the little background music still playing? It is, great. Let's hide it. Boom. I don't want to like shrink it because I think it stops then. I haven't tried, but you know, I'll try some other time. Yes. Is this adding up? Of course they had another task icon, but you know what? Does not matter. It scratches my soul a lot, but I have to get better at getting past those scratchy soul-y thingies. Sounded weird. Images, nav icons. What are we doing? The communities. Oh, wow, communities. Then we have... images, source. No, why do we always press tab? Okay. Have icons. Settings, great. Okay. We're fixing that right now. Wait, do they have a more like a collective type of thing? like these two, because the icon up there is gonna be bigger, so I have to put these ones in the same, but no it doesn't, so I'll just add options menu and then option items and then image. Okay, so we'll do this option items with a dot in front of it, and then image. Boom. It did not work. Because I was such a genius that when I labeled work items here, I had a big W and a big I, but when I did option items, I had a small O and a big I. Genius. Genius. There we go. And then I gotta do the same thing for option items. There we go. Great. Now we continue. Okay. Maybe this is good. Like, you know, when it shrinks, it like expands this way, but the icon... Yeah, we'll see. You know, it's desktop first for this task. So, you know, it's fine. It's fine. Ooh, I need some water. Hydrate. Oh. I just realized I have my phone here. No bueno. Peace out. Gotta focus. If I have my phone there, even if I stay focused, when I look at it, you know, I get the impulse of, you know, like checking it or whatever, but if it's out of sight, it's out of mind. Rhymes, but doesn't make any sense if you think about it. But usually I have it in another room, but since I have like my music playing from it and whatever, yeah, I could still have it in the other room, but hey, you know, like... Yeah, I'll be back. Boom. No excuses. It's out of room, you know? Out of room, out of mind. Okay, where was I? Adding the images. Support image, yeah. What image does a support person have? They have this, and then you have this, and then you add this, and then you add this, and then you do this, and then this, and then this, and then this is the privacy. Boom. Greatness. Wasn't as complicated as I thought, and then we're gonna add it to the big dashboard thingy as well. H2. Can we add it inline? Just out of like science, you know? Hey, what if I just do... dashboard. I mean, technically works. Let's see. It's kind of big. Whoa. Do I edit the H2 anywhere here? No. Okay. Where am I? There. Okay. The H2. Yeah, so we do yeah, let's just give a class. Let's name it dashboard. Dashboard title. It's great. I guess that works, and then we do then we do dashboard titles image. We change the height to, let's do 30 pixels. Okay, we're getting somewhere. This is 50, and then the filter inverse. Great. Let's do even bigger, like 70. Okay, we're getting somewhere. We're not getting somewhere. Looks awful. What have I done? What monster have I created? Oh, I think it's because I wrote it inline instead of doing that. So, is it illegal move to have both in an H2? Maybe. But if I have the H2 and then H2 icon. Okay, wait. Okay. Then we do meh. I tried to do it twice to seem less weird, but it made it even weirder. Yep. Dashboard. Okay. Let's think. Because I want it to be H2, but then, yeah, because the H2 still has to be. Yeah, I can just put them in a div, I guess. Div. What do I call it? I can call it whatever I call this, right? Yeah. Dashboard. Let's do this. Boom. And then we just move this into, I always press the wrong button. Okay. This works. And then we remove this, and then we remove this, kinda, or we can place it. Okay, we can't move it. Now we remove it. Okay. We're getting somewhere. Dashboard title. Oh, but the thing is, now where I had H2 before, I need to have dashboard title because it's on the same level as H2 was before. Like, you know, like aligned with each other before I had H2 here. So then, bah! Okay. So I gotta find all the H2 shit. What if I, okay, this is big YOLO. What if I do H2? Yeah, okay, and then I do that. Okay. I thought I would have like 10 of them and replace all of them at the same time, but I guess not. Experimental feature, let's see if this works. Oh, okay, if I shrink, or if I just expand, no, okay, oh, wait, I gotta change the flex direction, question mark, flex direction, flexy, fluxy. I already have that. This is no bueno. But, wait, is this one a flex item now? Let me inspect. Thank you. No, wait, it gets overridden here. It says flex column. Oh. Okay. I think we have something going on. Yeah. Well said, David. Well said. So, I'm thinking... I don't know what I'm thinking. Yeah, let's... Oh! Okay, what if I just make it small? Will that just suddenly fix the issue? Did I even set a size for it? Yeah, I did. Okay. 10 pixels. It's still above. Oh, wait. Because here it's boom, and then we have another layer. Here I just put them as they are. Oh my god. Because where does this get target? Dash line 85. Bunch of sus things going on here. Dashboard title. Dashboard. Let's make a dashboard group and then a dashboard title just to like fix this. Okay, great. So let's make a dashboard group. Dashboard group. But this should be a quick fix, just like the other quick fix. Where was I? Dashboard. What? What? Where are you? There you are. Okay. I'm gonna try to use fancy keyboard commands. That did not work. I always press the wrong buttons. Great. Okay, yeah. We got this one. And then, of course it starts here. Okay, yeah, we got this one. And then we put this one in another div. A div in a div that this is just getting out of hand. Okay. But then, or can you put, is it okay to put images in a H2? Yeah, we'll see. We'll see how this goes. I'll just do the ghetto solution, you know. I just wanna get done with this for now. And we can fine adjust some other time, which will probably be never, so. Okay, and emmet wrap, and then we wrap them in a dashboard group. Greatness. And then we take this dashboard group. This feels so dumb, but you know. Oh, whoops. Dot. Oh, that's a dash dot. Dashboard. Am I just digging my grave here? Oh. This is annoying. Why is my... Oh. Okay, because now all of a sudden these ones are not like flex items anymore, so I can't like just like... Okay, let's make the image small for now, just so I can like... let's add a comment as well, because we're so good at commenting. Great. Okay. So the hashtag bug fix. Oh. Okay. Okay. Then they should be able to be placed next to it, but then we have to make... Oh. Jesus, why is it only working so... Dashboard title, great. Okay, you turn this one into a flex. So it like, it flexes with others, I guess. Or, because what if... Does the flex even do anything here? No, it does absolutely nothing for it. So I put it in another group for no reason. Boom. One in. And then it's flex, and then the items within it are flex as well. Dashboard title, yeah, just convert dashboard title into hey, nice, very nice. Okay, and then adjust was like this. Oh yeah, for the size because a J is like that, and then I, which was like align. Ooh, that's this direction usually. Okay, so just we need align item center. Let's go. Okay, now we can change the size. 30. Kind of works. Why did it lose all its... Or did I even have any, like, padding on top? And I just placed it there and then... That was that. Let's give it some padding, I guess. We can do that to the... Okay, that was better than I thought. Okay. And then we just do... But the weird thing is, technically if I just do this on the dashboard title, it should do this, not the same thing. Okay. Then dashboard title, gap, row gap. No, because it's gonna be column gap since I just changed the direction of it. Ah! Because now the columns are this. No, the columns are still that way. Genius. Okay. 20 pixels. Wait, what did I set for these ones? 15. Great, okay, we're getting somewhere. And the text gets kind of weird when we shrink it, but I set that intentionally before, but it feels less intentional now, but hey, it works. Okay. I mean, yeah, I would say the dashboard is basically done. I mean, the picture they have here is, yeah, see, now it's like more similar. Okay, the dashboard text is even bigger. Does not matter. Because see here, it's like, ooh, you have to scroll and stuff, but so the image is kind of scuffed, like you can't really compare it. Oh, oops. Great. Yeah, okay, yeah. yeah, well, no, it's not the same. Okay. Great. So now that is check, I would say. Now this one is check as well. Announcement thing. Now it's just a trending. Oh, but you know what? I'll have some breakfast, and this was that. But as my wise old teacher taught me, I gotta upload it. So let's do. I don't know why my console keeps on typing into itself. Git add, boom. Git commit. Added icons to navbar. Took longer than I expected. Or no, it actually took less time than I expected, but more time than it should. But you know, you can't expect to walk before you crawl. Definitely stole that from someone. You know, sometimes I can sense how cringe I am, so then I'm just like intentionally slightly more cringe. I don't know why. My brain says that it, but like, you know, then it seems as if like I'm in control of it, but no. Git push. Greatness. Did I even write? Yeah. Great. Okay. That's that. We got 1 view. That's good. That was me previewing the stream. But hey, this is nice. And I mean, it's kind of cool because you and I can look back at this in the future and go like, oh, whoa. He is hopefully not homeless now. So yeah, I don't know how to end stuff, so I'm just gonna like, what am I gonna do? I have to do something, you know, make it special. Oh, I'll show you a cool thing that I realized yesterday. So basically, I have this headset that I usually use when I'm like playing games or at my computer, but now I'm using this one since it's connected to my phone and it has better sound, to be frank, but more latency. But if I can put it on my chair like this when I was like doing something. Now you can't see it, but yeah, it's like wow, I can.